Welcome back to the AI-driven automation series. In our last video, we got the Playwright MCP server up and running. Now get ready for the mind-blowing part. We are going to tell the AI what we want to test, and it is going to write the Playwright code for us. This is called prompt-driven test generation in action, and it's a game changer. Let's dive in. First, make sure you go to the extensions and make sure the MCP servers is up and running. It is not running, so let's start the MCP server. So it has started and running. And now let's go to the GitHub Copilot chat window and think of a simple scenario. For example, let's say we want to verify that the title of a Playwright website is correct. So instead of manually writing the Playwright code with go to, expect and all the selectors, we are simply going to describe this scenario in plain English. So I have this prompt for the GitHub Copilot and I'm going to paste it in the chat. So it says, using Playwright, write a test that navigates to playwright.dev and assert that the title of the page is Playwright, and save this test in a new file named playwright_title_test.spec.ts. So when I hit enter, watch the AI magic happen. You will see Copilot thinking, and it's creating the script right there in that window. It's writing all the import statements and the test. So you see the file is created there, and if I navigate to the directory tree, you can see the file generated, all based on our simple prompt. This is not a snippet, it's a complete runnable test file. And we have this file generated, and you can see that you need to make sure that Playwright is installed in your project. If not, you have to install it using the npm install command. And since the Playwright has already the Playwright script is already ready, we can even go to the terminal and then run this command npx playwright test and the name of this test. But we are going to go further. Let's try a more complex test case. Suppose we want to interact with an element on the page. Let's take an example of a scenario where you try to click on the doc test. So let's say this is a website, playwright.dev, and if I go to the website, you can see here, let's say I want to click this docs and then check that the URL has changed to doc.intro, and then we are going to assert that this URL contains docs in the URL. So we can I have created a prompt for this, and then we can ask the Copilot to save the test that is generated in a file. So here is the prompt, and you can see it says, using Playwright, write a test that navigates to this website, finds the link with the text docs by its text, that is this link, and clicks on it, and then we are asking it to assert that the URL of the page contains /doc/, and then save this test in this file, test script file. So that's all. So hit enter and watch Copilot generate another complete test file. It's figuring out the correct playlist locators all by itself. It goes to the home page and then it figures out the correct locator and it generates the script that clicks, and then there is a assert here that the page should have the URL docs. Another successful complete script, entirely written by AI from a simple prompt. So this is an incredible power of prompt-driven testing with the help of Playwright MCP and AI. So you can describe your test scenarios in plain English. You don't need to have a knowledge of JavaScript or Java or any language you are using to generate the automation test. All you need to know is what is your scenario and what are you trying to do, the assertions, and you can even name your test name, the name of your test, and you can even specify the folder where you want the test to be created. So everything is, then this AI converts them, that takes care of generating the tough automate coding part. So this will dramatically increase the automate time, the time it takes to create test. So that speeds up the test creation process and make automation more accessible to everyone. So even you don't need to know the coding, even a business analyst, a product owner, anyone, your manager, development manager, QA manager, anyone who doesn't have this skills or the awareness of how the playwright works or how to write the script, what to do, can easily write a script now using plain English with the help of this Playwright MCP and AI. So in our next video, we will explore even more advanced prompting techniques and see what else we can get the AI to automate. If you are excited about this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI driven, AI powered automation goodness. Thanks for watching and happy prompting.